Well, Christmas came late this year. About to look real familiar here. Tell, it's stuck in there.
I made sure it was in there.
Oh, it's in there. It ain't going nowhere. My bookie's tucked. That might not come out.
Okay.
Oh, I got that one. She's good. Oh yeah, baby. Another faux sip. She was full. Nah. It.
Easy are.
Well, we're midway through taking the old intake off and the gun died, so gonna charge her up. Probably break all these loose by hand. Hydrate a little. And then hopefully by that time, she'll be good to go. She'll be coming back soon. Once we get everything swapped over from this onto that. Should be good. Definitely got to get it done before Cletus Cars and Coffee. So I don't know when exactly he's having another one, but whenever he does, this thing will be ready. We could be doing burnouts or whatever. Maybe a burnout competition in it. So, but she should return. Been long waiting this video. Long time coming. So I'm excited to start making progress with this. Hopefully get this thing on the track or at some shows or whatever. It like melts the bolt or whatever.
Did you just crack that?
I just broke something. Too much
Oh
torque.
my gosh.
Damn it. It's fine. Look at this. She's freaking coming out. See, there's crackage there.
Yes, yes there is.
Crikey. Ooh. She needs a little bit more loving. Big boy. It's moving a lot more now. All that torque, dude.
I'd say you got it.
Hell yeah, brother! Ew! Look at that. And that is minty right there, you know?
Looks like a Chinese throwing star.
Or a saw. Watch this not even be the water pump. Like I just did.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? Why you do this to me? This is definitely one. Watch it not fit. Luckily I have another under there, so. Nice and shiny. Pretty shiny.
Pretty shiny.
Dude, that's sweet. We got the newsing on there. Now I gotta put the. Here's the fun part, just try to wrench everything back up. That goes like this. There we go. Shmoney. Not shmoney. I might have to grind this edge down a little bit. Which probably isn't a bad idea. So I'll probably hook up to the air and take that whiz wheel and just grind it down real quick. Not grind it down, but it should be good. Oop. Cool. Well, that summer. You don't gotta record this. What's up, guys? It's day 2 now on the motor tear down and rebuild for the 4.6, and kind of at a standstill right now because I'm waiting for gaskets. So I got a call advance to order up some gaskets for it, some intake manifold gaskets and oil pan gaskets because they didn't come with an oil pan or intake manifold. So I'll call them, order them up. In the meantime, while they're waiting, I'll probably just end up editing a video and posting a video, so there will be a video, hopefully, by the time I'm done editing this one. But I got like 3 videos queued up, so like my best of 2023 and a couple other ones here and there, but I think another couple cars and coffee is one. But we'll get that going and then we'll start ripping away with this motor. Like I said in yesterday's clips or whatever video, I want to get that done and in the car hopefully this week, so that way we can possibly bring it to Cletus and Cars, or not Cletus and Cars, but the Cletus Cars and Coffee. So if we can do that, that'd be sick. If not, then I'll just have to wait until the next one, which is a month away, which probably is smarter, but we like to full send it. So ideally, it'd be nice to have it done this week, but if not, it's no big deal. He's got another one coming up. But on the other end of the spectrum, I would like to get it good, get it going for Cletus and Cars. I think that'd be sick to bring the BadChad Mustang and do burnouts in the BadChad Mustang at Cletus and Cars, or for like burnout rivals or something. But that's the plan for today. Order up some gaskets, edit some videos, post some videos, get them ready to go, and then plug away more on this motor. Last night we got the alternator on, some gaskets. Oh yeah, and Doug's here too. So I ended up marking the coil packs, so I'll get those on today. And then just a couple odds and ends, maybe try to pull some pulleys and put some on there and be good to go. Pulled the plug wires out. I don't know what that was, but where is it? It's one of these ones. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna need new plug wires because I don't know why there's duct tape on that. Oh, it's because it's cracked. Nice. So, new plug wires, probably new coil packs too, and gaskets. So, today I'll probably put that intake on, clean that intake out, put that on, and then do the oil pan, so that way at least it's sealed up for the most part. And then I'll order those parts and get them coming. That's fine. So we ended up pulling the oil pan off of this motor, which is the one that came out of the rolled over car, the flip car. And I knew it was blown up, but eesh, that was in the oil pan. Look at that. Ew. Look at that, dude. Holy crap. I've never seen anything like that. This thing freaking like grenaded. Wow, dude. Look at that. That is actually insane. No wonder why it locked up on me. It makes sense now.
It did not like that.
No, it didn't. Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
There's a good couple chunks in here.
Yeah, dude, that's not... I'm shocked there isn't a hole like in the freaking side of the block or something.
Well, check this out, Adam.
What?
Wait, well, it's another piece. Never mind.
It's just,
It's like somewhere.
just another piece of just...
Oh my god.
Dude. I might just order a new oil pan.
Yeah, that might be a good call.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you got all these baby chunks in here.
Yeah, that's toast. Wow.